Hello guys, welcome to lesson 1, which is about news on trading on cryptocurrency by using Binance Market. So to trade accurate, you need to know about the news, and TA is technical analysis. So at this time, Russia have problem with Ukraine, so the null need to be 60% and TA need to be 40%. So there are several websites which is you need to read before you're trading. But importantly, the 4 top is also good. If you have time, you can click all, read all. Number 1 is Coindesk. This is Coindesk. This Cointelegraph, Coindesk. And we have Crypto Panic. This is Crypto Panic. This is called the Block Crypto. Yeah, Block Crypto, Cointelegraph. Yeah, Cointelegraph, and Coindesk. Where is Coindesk? This is Coindesk. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So these are the website which is you need to read each day if you have time. Only 4 website. It is about a crypto. What is the effect on a crypto? So if there's no problem, you can start on trading. Yeah. So if you don't know how to use all of these market, I will show you, or you can comment below. I will show you in the next lesson. Hope you enjoy this, and you can check out all this link in the description below. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.